Let me show you what you can do in order to prepare your iPhone 17 for sale. Remember that before you actually erase everything and get rid of everything from your iPhone 17, remember to transfer everything that is important, whether it is eSIM, important files. Remember to make a backup of everything that is important on your iPhone 17 in order to not lose anything that you might regret losing later. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open settings, and most of these stuffs we can do through settings that we have to do in order to prepare our iPhone for sale. And we're gonna go to privacy and security. You want to open location services and you want to disable location services. Besides that, you want to go back to settings, and we want to go to Face ID and passcode. Let's enter the current passcode. And you want to remove Face ID over here, tap on reset Face ID, and also you want to turn the passcode off as well. And there we go, it should be removed. Oh, we need to enter the passcode first, and after that we should be done. Alright, now over here we can also turn off and remove passwords over here, so let's confirm that we want to get rid of that. There we go. After that, we're gonna scroll up and we want to go to our Apple account. First, we're gonna check the iCloud, and you want to disable the iCloud backup, so we want to turn it off. There we go. We want to do that. Now, over here, we're gonna go back, and what you need to do then, once again, we're gonna go back. The next step is to go to Find My. You want to make sure that Find My iPhone is disabled. You want to turn it off. You will need to enter probably your Apple account password in order to confirm. And also we need to disable Share My Location. We don't need that anymore. And after that, what you can do next is you can scroll all the way down over here in Apple account settings, and you want to sign out. So you want to press over here. Now you will have the option to erase this iPhone as you log out of your Apple account. And if you want to, you can of course do that, and you can also choose to sign out but don't erase, and you can manually erase everything. Over here in this place we can continue anyway, and let's press continue again. There we go, so we're gonna sign out. And that should be pretty much it. If you have any apps that you have downloaded or any data, like for example photos and stuff, these will be removed as you erase the data, so you don't have to worry about it that much. And after that, of course, we can continue. Oh, there's actually one more thing. We can go to settings and you can go to cellular or the mobile data, and you want to erase your eSIM. So if you have eSIM, you want to just remove it over here. In my case, I don't have eSIM, but in your case, if you have one, you need to go over there and you want to turn it off. And that should be all. So if you didn't actually erase the data after removing the Apple account, then of course you can go to General, scroll all the way down, and then over here we have Transfer or Reset iPhone. And over here you can choose Erase All Content and Settings. And then just press Continue and follow the rest of the steps in order to finalize this process. And once you erase everything, we will have the initial configuration again, and your iPhone 17 is good to go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.